Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share how to effortlessly transition your makeup from day to night. These tips will have you looking fabulous all day long. Why transition your makeup? It saves time, keeps you looking fresh, and lets you easily adapt to different occasions. Plus, it's fun to switch things up. Begin by refreshing your base. Use blotting papers to remove excess oil and a light powder to mattify your skin. This preps your face for the added glam. Touch up your foundation where needed. A little extra coverage on your T-zone and under eye area can do wonders. I always carry a compact for quick fixes. Add depth to your eyeshadow. Apply a darker shade to the outer corners and blend it well. This instantly creates a more dramatic evening look. Highlight the inner corners of your eyes with a shimmery shade. It brightens your eyes and makes them pop. This little trick is a game changer for me. Intensify your eyeliner. Go from a subtle daytime line to a bold, defined evening look. Wing it out for added flair. It makes such a difference. Add a touch of sparkle. Use a glittery eyeshadow or eyeliner for a bit of glam. It's perfect for night events and really makes your eyes stand out. Volumize your lashes with an extra coat of mascara or add false lashes. They instantly elevate your look and make your eyes look more dramatic. Enhance your brows. Fill them in a bit more for a stronger look. Well-defined brows frame your face beautifully for any evening look. Add a bit more blush and bronzer. It adds warmth and dimension to your face. I love how it gives me a healthy, radiant glow. Highlight the high points of your face: cheekbones, nose bridge, and Cupid's bow. A good highlight adds that perfect evening glow. Transform your lips with a bold color. Switch from a daytime nude to a striking red or plum. It's a quick and impactful change. Use a lip liner to define your lips and make your lipstick last longer. It also prevents any color from bleeding. Set your makeup with a setting spray. It keeps everything in place and adds a fresh finish. This step is essential for a long-lasting look. Carry essential touch-up products in your bag. A compact, lipstick, and blotting papers. They're lifesavers for quick fixes. Don't forget your hair. A quick brush or a bit of styling product can freshen up your look. I always carry a small hairbrush and some hairspray. Add accessories to enhance your look. Statement earrings or a chic necklace can elevate your outfit and complement your makeup. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. No matter what makeup you wear, own your look with pride. You're beautiful inside and out. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you seamlessly transition your makeup from day to night. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips. Stay fabulous.